up, guys? Catalonia, Santo Domingo, right across from Dominican, Caribbean Sea. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spot. Several nice restaurants, not too expensive. Restaurants all around in the area. Supermercado right behind. Little bodega, places to eat. Also, pharmacy. So you got everything you need right here. Just want you to check it out, guys. Adios. If you guys can see, I'm on the metro going back to Puerto Plata on Metro bus, and man, it's a lot of flooding. I'm trying to see if you guys can see this, but it's been raining a lot the entire way, and evidently it's raining real bad from Santiago to Puerto Plata. But it's a lot of moisture and rain on the window, so maybe you can't see it, but we're sitting still for a minute. But there's a lot of, the rivers are high, people are turning around. I see the water running there on the side a little bit. See all the water in front. So what should have been an hour and 30 minutes from Santiago to Puerto Plata is definitely going to be about 2 hours or more. That's the way it looks unless it opens up. Wow. Mucho agua.
Mami, vaya a ver si tú se quiere cambiar de puesto.
Wow. Damn. Okay, I hope this big ass metro bus don't get tilted over. I don't even think like that.
Mira que está